This is my Ibanez new guitar. Is that in tune? I think. Okay, so most of you don't know, but I'm a really famous singer. And I am a famous guitar player. So I'm going to show you how. First, this is a demo of the guitar. It's a new guitar. I think it's the Talman. I don't know. I'll leave it in the description. So I just got it not too long ago. I did a couple videos on the guitar. See, I told you, I am a professional. So I'm going to show you how I write a song. I don't even know what I'm going to use. I don't know what words I'm going to use. Don't know what chords. I'm going to do D. I'll probably use the key of D, some B minor, F sharp minor, G, because it always sounds really cool, and it sounds like you are a professional, like I am. So I'll probably leave the guitar link in the video description if you want to buy it. And there's a whole bunch of other links if you want to help me out or donate to my most amazing singing career. So I said we're going to do the B minor. We'll do some other stuff besides that. Try to fill up an 8-minute video. Oh, okay, so don't forget, I am a professional singer and an incredible guitar player. Self-taught, no lessons. Oh, baby, I look in your eyes, and I know you're the one. Oh, for me. Don't you know I love you? Yes, I do. Oh, pretty impressive, let me tell you. Now let me show you some pentatonic stuff. If you want to do a little bit of pentatonic when you're singing, making up your song. Oh, baby, I love you. Yes, I do. Oops, wrong string. Yes, I do. Oh, sorry, my thumb got stuck. Okay, so that's how you write a love song in the pentatonic scale. With the pentatonic scale, I did the B minor, which is always just beautiful to do. What else can we do? Let's try some the A minor, E minor. You can always write a good song that the ladies will just love you. What can I'm trying to think of some words. I saw you in, I was trying to think of where did I see her. I saw you in the parking lot. Nah, that's not going to work. But you can see where it's going. I need some better words than that. Hey, will you marry me? Babe, will you marry me? I think I want to marry you. Oops, I was wrong string though. Marry me. Okay, so you get the idea. This is how you become famous. Writing these really impressive songs. That was with some A minor, E minor. Let's start the song in the key of C. See, you love me yes, you love me. Oh, you love me. Do, 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 do. You've got to use that, you got to drag your voice out to make it sound very, very intense. Let's do some G. We'll just do the key of G. I'm trying to think of what are the notes in the key of G. Baby, will you? No, that's not it. G, G, A, B, babe, will you go out on a date with me? Go on a date with me. Okay, so that was, we've done the key of C, we've done key of G. We did the key of D when I did the B minor, but let's start it off with D. Oh, I'm writing a song to you. No, that didn't sound right. I'm writing a song to you, 'cause I know you love me. It's a song for you. I think you say yes. I know you say yes. So I don't know what else to do. I showed you how to write a song to be famous. I showed you how to sing to be famous like I am. I did a little demo of this cool guitar. 1, 2, I love you. I don't know what to say. I think that's it, people. Make sure you do the thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. Let's make this video viral. Everybody is going to learn how to sing and become famous overnight if they watch this video. They're going to learn how to project their voice, learn how to play the guitar. Just a couple of notes, you can be a famous star like I am. Totally. Thanks for watching.